In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Bluebeam settings. Exporting your settings is the easiest way to safeguard all the tweaks that make Bluebeam Review feel like your workspace. It's perfect when you're moving to a new computer, reinstalling, or just creating a backup so you can get back up and running fast. Start by opening Bluebeam Review on your computer, give it a second to load, and close any open documents you don't need, just to keep things tidy. At the top of the screen, click the Review menu. From that drop-down, choose Preferences. If you like shortcuts, you can also open Preferences directly from the keyboard, but the menu path works every time. In the Preferences window, look to the panel on the left and select Admin. This section controls application-level options, including the tools for backing up and restoring your configuration. On the right, click Export. That tells Review you want to create a package of your current setup. You'll now see options to choose exactly what to include. Select Profiles to capture your interface layout, custom toolbars, and user options. Select Toolsets to bring along your custom markups and symbols in the tool chest. Select Stamps to include any approval or date stamps you rely on. If you see other categories you use regularly, include those as well so nothing important gets left behind. You're not changing anything yet, you're just defining what will be saved. When your selections look right, click OK. Review will prompt you to choose a save location. Pick a folder you can easily find later, such as your Documents folder or a company share, and give the file a clear name with today's date so it's obvious what it contains. Finally, click Save. That's it. Review will generate a single settings file containing the items you chose. Keep this file somewhere safe. It won't include your project PDFs, studio projects or sessions, or any account credentials. It's strictly your application settings. Most customizations transfer smoothly between similar versions, but if you're moving between major releases, be aware that newer features may not exist in older versions. If the admin panel looks a little different, make sure you're in Preferences and select Admin on the left. With your export saved, your review setup is protected and future migrations are easier.